Yes, students, today we are going to discuss about standard specification of electrical machine design. So normally that standard specification in the sense while they are manufacturing in the machine, there will be which they are provided in the Indian standard. So it will be includes this all factors. The standard rating of the machines, the rating we are discussed in the last lecture, the standard rating of the machines, and type of enclosure, the outer parts, how the machine is enclosed, and the yoke and all, the standard dimension and conductors to be used. So the normally we know that electrical engineering material itself we discussed about the various conducting material, non-conducting material, and the insulators and magnetic material that all we used. So that it's how that standard dimension of the conductor that which we are going to applicable, which are all the types of conductor is applicable for the winding and all, so that you have to use it, that it will be specify it. Then method of marking the rating of and nameplate details. That means while they are after the manufacturing process, what is the standard voltage or rated voltage, current, speed, and manufacturer name, that all we need to mention. That's why they are marking the rating and nameplate details. It's have some specific procedure in the part of top surface where we are going to fix that plate. So that is the method of marking. That sets have the dimension also. Then the performance specification, whether it is performance specification is meted the requirement or not, that we have to check it. So the types of insulation and what is the permissible temperature variations or temperature rise, that all you should consider. Then the permissible losses, that means maximum loss, maximum 20 to 30 percentage of losses in the rotating machine it may be allowed. That is the permissible losses. After the manufacturing process you need to check it whether the losses, the rotational losses is permissible or not, you have to check it. And the efficiency also. So the procedure for testing of machines and machine parts and machines, that means normally we use we done for the load test. You all know about the load test, various load test for the checking of machines and identifying the efficiency of the machines. So that itself it's have the procedure. So you are step by step you are applying the load and you are taking different reading and you are calculating the efficiency, that is the procedure to testing of the machine. Then the auxiliary equipments to be provided. That means if you are using the motor, the auxiliary equipments like if you are applying load test, that is the brake drum and the setup that is should be used for the checking testing of machines. Then the which type of cooling methods to be adopted in the machines, so that all you should consider, that is the standard specification. These 10 points you need to consider for the standard specification process. So after this, while after the manufacturing process, they need to mention these all factors, then type of machine and the classes of duty, then the rated current, speed, voltage, etc. Then type of insulation and cooling methods and the manufacturer name and manufacturer serial number, that all you should mention in the nameplate details. So based on this, this is the actual procedure for the standard specification. Similarly, some examples I mentioned here, the IS 325, that is the Indian standard 325. They are implemented 1966 itself. That it will be giving the specification of induction motor. That it will be giving the specification of induction motor. Then similarly, the specification of insulating materials, so that is the another one standard. Then the power transformer, it's have the standard specification, no, the standard specifications of the power transformer. So in this standard, it can be provide the information about the standard specification of the particular design, right? That was the example. Some of the examples I am given here. Similarly, in all apparatus machines DC machines, AC machines, all type of machines, it's have the standard specifications, right? Here there was given some examples which we are going to design in the further upcoming classes. DC machines and the induction machine and the transformer, that all we consider, no, that is why I am given some standards related to that. Okay, thank you for listening. So this is about the standard specification of the particular machine, right? Okay, this is the actual procedure, and after the manufacturing process, they need to mention this all details in the nameplate itself. Thank you. Thank you.